How to turn off sound in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to turn off the sound effect while playing Beach Buggy Racing 2 game so that you can play the game in silence, whether you are in public places or you just want to play the game silently, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game first, and once you're in the lobby screen, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you're inside this menu on the next page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top of the screen, and then you will see this audio section on the right. Go ahead and decrease the volume of the audio or completely switch it off by tapping the cross icon on both SFX volume or music volume option. If you turn off the SFX volume, then you'll not hear any sound effect, whereas if you turn off the music volume, you'll not hear any background music. You can always enable this button by switching it on whenever you want, according to your choice. You can also keep the volume low by selecting the volume or increase it according to your preference. If you don't want to do this inside the game, you can also lower the volume of your device and play in complete silence. So that is how you can easily turn off or adjust the sound in the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.